Yeah,
So
because it's so close to the residential.
I can fly this until I lose voltage on it. You don't have to worry about time on this.
So there,
Now I'm in GPS mode.
And then pretty soon you'll have UFO reports.
Yeah. God, if you could go back in time with something like this, you'd be a witch.
Cheese, everybody.
Gotta wait for the camera.
And then I can adjust the pitch of the camera too.
Nice.
So right now that's on GPS hold.
The cameras or the quad?
The quad is.
Quad is on GPS.
Yeah. See, Damon's is the same way. He was telling me that. He's like, mine, I can just sit there and it'll stay. And he went up and pushed. He had his in hover mode. He went up and pushed it, and it went, and it went right back to where it was at.
I've seen the people do that with these too, but I don't like them blades, so I don't want to
Get too close to them. This would be a great way of trimming trees. They're too tall. You want to get that branch.
So Josh, that has GPS mode. You just sat there and.
Another nice thing too, if I get far out and I can't see which direction it's going, like right now I'm turned forward is that way.
Towards where the camera's pointing.
So, but I can hit this switch here for a home lock, and it doesn't matter which direction it's facing. If I pull back, it'll come to me.
Oh, nice.
So, say if I'm pointing over this direction, if I pull back, it'll come to me. So that helps with orientation if you lose it at a distance there.
Levi, check that out. Look at that, buddy.
Now, if you want to watch something good, get over here.
Wait for it.
GPS there, and we'll hold it. Now I'm going to shut. Basically, I'm not staying put here.
What's the range on that?
Well, the stock transmitter is 300 meters, about
Oh.
900 feet.
Yeah.
So close to a quarter mile.
So I'm going to hit this switch here, and I'm going to put it into fail-safe mode. And as if I'm lost control of my transmitter.
Just like the video from the park, it'll come right back here
Yeah.
and land.
Now this is landing on itself now. I've basically just turned off my transmitter. We just have to be careful of the little ones here. I can take control if I hit.
Wow, it flies itself pretty fast then.
It's like I'm right here. A little bit of a breeze, that's why.
Oh, that's true. More of a breeze up there too. Is it confused?
No, I think it's compensating for the breeze. Gage, come back this way. Walk over here. Walk over here. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Here it comes. I think it's because the breeze up there is so much that.
I see that it adjusted itself to get back to where it was supposed to go.
This is crazy. Just think a few years ago that wasn't even possible. Not for apprentices anymore.
That's about the roughest self-landing I've had it do yet, balancing like that.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yes, bud. Okay, just a couple minutes I will.
thought that was going the other way.
Yeah, the lighting out here today is just a little tough to deal with.
From the playground. The playground is right over there. It's far away.
Give you a hammer? Does it do that kind of
Yeah, the trick to doing a hammerhead though is you got to fly
You
straight.
gotta fly it.
And if you're leaning one way or the other, then it's it'll fold back over.
Oh, it's got a pretty tight turning.
Yeah, I got it on high race right now. See if I can do a nice head.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Yeah, I got to learn how much throttle to put on it to keep it flying level. I forgot to set the timer again.
Right now you're 3 minutes,
Alright.
and that was probably 20 seconds after takeoff.
I'm still learning those hovers, so I don't do them too low to the ground like you see on the.
Well, yeah, trying to sit there and hover the thing and kind of move it around, move it around.
Or people bring it right down in front of them
Yeah.
and touch
Oh,
the tail.
yeah.
Yeah.
I've watched that a few times, and it's like, I need altitude to recover for mine.
Yeah, you get the wind pushing.
The torque roll's real easy too once you get it into a nice hover. I did a roll and a half out there at the field.
Huh.
I was thinking about getting that AS3X receiver and throwing on there. What are we at for time?
4:30.
That's almost 5 minutes. What have you been getting with that or is that better?
I'm about ready to bring it in now.
Oh.
So they're about 5 minutes of flight time, right?
Yeah, just to play it safe on this battery. I'm gonna have to fly it towards us here to land it, I think.
Yeah, with the wind. I almost just landed right in one spot.
Okay, stop it.
With the wind, enough almost just to hover it to us. So I ran. Whoa!
Nice.
Nice, yeah.